Welcome back, my friends, for this very snowy, cold Sunday morning on hashtag starting a new allotment. During the week we had some high winds, so as everyone does, checks the allotments. I'm in the greenhouse for obvious reasons, and as I was walking along the walkway I noticed that this pipe was adrift, so I thought, well, the barrel's moved, so I popped across because the greenhouse looked okay. But unfortunately it looks like the wind has actually slid the greenhouse over. That's where it's supposed to be. And along there I've got holes already drilled when I built it, or before I built it, and I didn't screw it down, did I? I got the door shut, the window vent shut, and we've got some open panes all around for the fruit. But remarkably enough, there's no broken glass. Sod's law. Now when I move it, it's possibly going to break some panes, so I thought I'd set a little competition for my 2,000 subscribers. So there'll be two answers. It'll be a yes and a no. Yes, I will break some glass, but then you've got to say how many panes I'll break. That will just get it down to the last few people. And if I don't break any glass, it's a no. But how many minutes did it take me to move it back into position? I'll be using a trolley jack on its side and pushing slowly from each side, so hopefully it'll go back okay. But glass and greenhouses are notorious for cracking the glass, just a slight knock, so that'll be interesting. The peach trees survived, and so has the pomegranate. I haven't planted anything else in here yet. I haven't had time at the moment. As you know, I've got quite a few things going on. So just a little competition, and I'll sort a little prize out which will go anywhere in the world. Take care, stay safe, keep warm, and the best thing of all, happy gardening to you all.